happening, everybody? We are back today with another video. We're not going to be doing any work on the car because, as you can see, I am going to work a night shift, so wish me some luck. But what we are going to announce is another giveaway. We're revealing the giveaway at 1200. I am sorry, we have gone a bit past 1200 on about 1242, so thank you for you guys for making that happen. I really appreciate it. But the giveaway will be drawn at 1500, so we need to get to 1500. I think that is more than doable on this channel, and I think you guys will like this giveaway. So we are teaming up with my good friend Luke at LJB Automotive Detailing, and we are going to give you guys a full detail and single stage polish and wax. We will give you the option on the day to ceramic coat the car, but this will be an little extra cost. But the actual detail, single stage polish and wax is probably at the value around £400, which I think is a great value, and I'll tell you what, we will get some nice results as well. We will come to you to do this, so unfortunately any of you guys overseas and you're not in England, you guys are out of this, so I'm really sorry about that. This is probably the first giveaway I've done where it is not a fully worldwide giveaway. Like all of my other ones, I'd have sent it to anywhere. You could have been living with the penguins and I'd have still sent you the prize. But this one, unfortunately, we can't really drive to you because that's just going to cost too much money and take too much time. So we've just decided to keep it in England. So no matter where you are in England, we will come to you and detail your car. The only conditions we need is obviously a space to wash the car and access to water. If you have those things, we will come to you. If you don't, then you'll have to bring the car to us. Anyways, to enter this giveaway, what we require from you lovely people, you have to follow my Instagram, which is here, Luke's Instagram, which is here, and you have to go to the merch page and buy a sticker. And all you need to do is put your YouTube name in like the little comments bit when you have purchased the sticker, so I know who you are, and just put your YouTube name, put giveaway. That's so I know you've entered. For you guys who have previously purchased one and shown support to this channel, I will automatically put you into the giveaway, providing you live in the UK. All you need to do is follow mine and Luke's Instagram, which is probably just a case of you following Luke's Instagram. But yeah, that is pretty much it today, guys. Sorry it's such a short one, but I really hope you guys get involved in this, because I think you are really sleeping if you miss out on this giveaway. As I said, the value is around £400. We'll give you the option to ceramic coat the car to give it a longer lasting effect. We will charge you a little bit for that, but for the money you'll pay, you've got 400 quid's worth of work regardless. And all you've had to do is really just pay £3.50 for a sticker, if you haven't already, and follow 2 Instagram accounts. So yeah, I'll leave all the links to the description of what you need to do and a little instruction guide in case you don't really want to keep flicking back through the video. But I thank you so much for all your support. You guys are fucking fantastic. Excuse me French. I wouldn't be on this channel where I am if you guys didn't tune in every week. So I just want to say a big thank you by doing this quick giveaway for you, because I think this one is going to be a banger. Okay guys, take it easy and I'll catch you in the next one.